All right, everybody, welcome to your weekly preview here. This is for the week of March 27th, 2023 to March 31st, 2023. So, important announcements. Monday, my office hours are 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. And then Friday, my office hours again, 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. And just a reminder, this is the last week of quarter three, in case you couldn't tell. And all work must be submitted by Sunday, April 2nd at 11:59 p.m. in order to be graded. So Monday, you have your lesson purpose of personality theories with psychoanalytic, behavioralism, cognitive, social learning, humanism, and trait theory as your key terms. Tuesday, your CYU personality schools of thought. On Wednesday in live class, we will identify how we develop personalities with the Achieve 3000 article there, What Kind of Cat Are You? Thursday, you have the lesson Psychoanalytic Theories with your key terms id, ego, superego, defense mechanism, archetype, and inferiority complex. And then Friday, back in live class again, we will discuss the psychoanalytic theories of personality with the CYU defense mechanism. So please let me know of any questions, and I hope you have a great week.